Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have learned about site-to-site VPN using FMC, Cisco FMC. FMC means Firepower Management System. So there is the my outside interface. There has IP address 10.101.1.2 and my LAN or PCIP 172.168.10.2 and my other side the FortiGate firewall there is the one IP is 10.101 1 and 10 and behind the firewall have a LAN subnet 192.168.171.1/24. So using the FNC we can start and we can configure site-to-site VPN. Okay, then we have create a object. There already have some object. We create a new object. Set a name like S2S VPN LAN. This is my site. FTD underscore LAN. There is the host. Uh, there is the host. Uh, Set it 172.160.10.2. If your case you require to network, there is the full network object. There is the range. You can set the range. You can using the FDQN. Uh, Using this lab, I have choose the host and then getting the save. Okay, so I have checked 172, 160. Look, there is the create. So I want to create a remote site LAN address 192.168.171.124. So I have create another address is S2S VPN remote. Okay, so that is the remote. So there is the network. So 192.168.171.0/24. Okay. Uh, for remote, we have create the network object. Okay. Save. Check 192.168.171. Look, there is already object create. The two object create. Now, people, we have to create to encryption domain for remote and local services. Then go to access behind the object. Then go to the access. We have to create a extend list. Create name site to site. Sorry, S2S VPN ATD to 40 get. Okay, get. Now add. I want to add. Okay, there is the create LAN. It's my the source LAN. I want to type, yeah, this one as a source. 192.168.1, sorry, 171 is a remote for destination. When I'm going to the diagram, when the traffic generates from the Windows PC, then he goes to the LAN, this VCP. So the encryption token for that, there is no port binding. If required to port bind it like 443 to that will HTTPS, SSS, and other port, yeah, custom port record, then you can source and add you can add source and destination, and you can also application, user, and group. Uh, in my case, we need to no need to add, so that's why we can only add source and destination. And go to add. Yeah, already created the encryption domain. Okay. Then I have to configure phase one and phase two. Okay. There is the proposal. There is the default proposal. Okay. We need to create a proposal like AES 256 256. Okay. There is a set priority and set one. Encryption domain AES 256. Okay. Okay, then environment group 70. Okay, then create a seg. Okay, already create. Okay. And I also create a secondary one also. Okay, there is the AES AES 256 256 256 add and encryption also AES 256. Okay, already create this one. Okay, so okay. Now we have configured the site-to-site VPN. Then go to there and click site-to-site VPN. Name S2SVP and FTD underscore 2 underscore 40 40 that. Then I already create an endpoint, so we need to configure endpoint like uh, this IP and this IP, okay, with encryption domain. Okay. Select my device, this one, core FTD interface, this outgoing interface or LAN interface. Okay, then IP address already automatically show. Then extend like ACL access list. I have already created access list, this one. Okay, previously we have configured. Okay. Then the secondary one, our the secondary remote one, device name, already that static IP address. There is, I have to say, 10.1.10 0 1 sorry 0 1 1.10. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's select the extended link and okay. Okay, IKE version. I have already created IKE version. Uh, also, you can create from here. I am creating from here. SHA-256. Okay, SHA-256. Where is the SHA-256? AES 256, SHA-256, and human group is 50. Priority set to. Okay, this is the lifetime. This is the default lifetime. If required to change, so both end also change. Okay, if you change their end or remote end, you need to already configure remote site and local site in the same lifetime seconds. Okay, so save. We can select there, add, and default one to delete. Then okay. Appreciate there is a three option automatically certificate application. In my case, I have created the manual key. I have already created key and putting that in local and remote side also. Okay, I have already added. Then IPsec So there is the IPSec. I have already created 256 in here. And you can also create from there. Okay. There is no, yeah. This is default lifetime, life duration. Okay. I have keep the default settings. If required to enable perfect forward security, you can use it from the local and remote end also. Okay. In the advanced tab, there is key enable. There, so it's the default settings. There is no changes. Okay, the advanced option also configured done. So we can save it. You can show the deployment pending. I have created that with the deployment pending because of we need to deployment advanced deploy option. We can change the site-to-site VPN configuration using the admin account. So deployment is started. If showing any warning, then you can proceed with that. So no issue for warning. Okay. So deployment start. Can wait for the deployment. Okay. Okay. Our deployment already completed. Now check the site-to-site status. Yeah. Uh, Tunnel down because of remote at configured not yet. So in this video, I only show from FTD end only. So after that, you can create a access control policy. Okay. So in this firewall, you can create a rule for the site-to-site VPN AS, VPN, FTD, 22, MC, that's been 4 digit. Okay. So network, there is the 172, 162. This is this one, is the source, and 168, 171 is the destination. If we go to any port, in my case, I have not create any port. Is the default port, and well, that's when all port are open. So we need to add. So this we need to save this configuration. Okay. So after that, we can also deployment pending. We need to deployment. Okay. So after deployment, we need to check all configuration uh, done for site to site. If done, then we need to configure remote site. So in this video, we can show only the FTD and that's when using the FMC how to create a site to site channel. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.